Alright, just gotta put on these blankets and everything should be ready for when Dad and Junior come home tomorrow. Wait. Who put this box here?
Hey, Cody.
Wait. Oh, wait, neighbor, what are you doing here? Shouldn't you be working the night shift at the clock tower? What are you doing here?
Yeah, you see, I got hired by the New York Magazine Company to take pictures of very rare endangered species of birds that have been spotted around your house.
Wait, there have been bird sightings around my house? No wonder there were feathers everywhere in the kitchen this morning. He said that I just thought some of the feathers came loose from the feather duster.
Yep, there's some very rare and endangered species of birds in this house. And they sent me here to take pictures of them for the magazine.
Really? Okay, well, how are we going to attract them? Because obviously they can't just come out of nowhere. We have to attract them somehow.
You see, these birds are very tough. We're talking tough as nails tough. And they get mad if anyone touches their eggs. So, considering we don't have any eggs, we're not gonna attract them with that.
Okay, I mean your head's kind of egg-shaped, but that would have worked. They obviously know it. They obviously know that eggs aren't made of flesh. So, what's the other plan?
Okay, number one, my head is not shaped like an egg.
That's just my chin. It only makes it look like an egg.
And second, if we could somehow build a castle of some sort,
because each time these birds have their eggs captured, the eggs are always taken and hidden in a castle of some sort.
So if we had a castle right here, we could attract them.
Okay, I guess so. I mean, we got some Jenga blocks downstairs. We can use that to make a castle.
Yeah, that could work. You hear that? You hear that, minion?
These birds are very powerful.
With those birds, I could rule the world. We have to get those birds.
Yeah, but boss, how?
Oh, I already got some blocks right here, so while they're chattering, get to building.
Okay, I guess. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just build the castle and we'll look for every bird on the list, and then you can snap your pictures.
Sounds like a plan.
Whoa! There's a castle already here? I have the feeling something fishy is going on.
Those fools.
You sure this will work, boss?
Of course it'll work. I know it will. Well, now that we got the castle, I guess we can do it.
Yes, so neighbor, what's the first bird on the list?
Oh, right.
Let me see. Looks like our first bird is a northern cardinal.
Okay, we should hide somewhere. When it comes out, I'll snap the picture.
Okay.
Okay, minion, come out.
Okay, boss.
Okay, so when the northern cardinal comes out, it'll try to hit the castle. But to make sure that it comes out, I need you to pretend that you're an egg.
Well, but I'm a giant hand emoji. I'm not an egg.
Well, just say that you're an egg that has a really bad shape disorder.
Okay, but I'm also big and orange. Okay, I'm pretty sure not all eggs are white. I'm pretty sure there's like a brown egg or something. I just so. So just stand here by the castle. Yep. And I stand right behind it. Try acting like an egg. Try act like you're kidnapped. Okay. Help! Oh no! I have been kidnapped and placed beside this very tall tower. Will someone come to my rescue? Ow! Oh, good thing I didn't get hit. Oh. There it is. Let me see. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Okay, hold that pose. It's a great shot. Say cheese. Got it. Okay, I guess we should set up the tower back up. Yep, gotta set it back up for the next bird. Come on. Okay. Okay, now that the tower's set back up, what's the next bird on the list, neighbor?
Okay,
Let's see the list.
Looks like next is the American goldfinch.
American goldfinch? Huh, okay, let's go hide. Oh, I still have that pain from when that cardinal got me. Ew. I guess I should sit by the castle again. Remember, just like before. Are you worried you're gonna get hurt again, boss? I'm pretty sure I'll be fine. Okay. Oh no! I am trapped beside this castle. I sure hope someone will save me. I'd hate to die at the hands of some hungry person who's looking to eat a poor innocent egg. Huh? That's an American goldfinch? Suppose so. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Ow. 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 Oh. Why? Oh, they're coming. Ow. Okay, Springtrap, how do you get here? Another perfect shot! Say cheese! I can't. I was talking to the goldfinch. Okay. The perfect shot. Okay. Let's rebuild this again. Alright. You put the tower back up once again. Who's next on the list?
Let's see, it says here, next is the Greater Antillean bullfinch.
Okay. Okay, so I guess we go hide again.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, my leg. My legs. Ow. Boss, after this we're going to a doctor. You need bandages, real bad. I'm gonna be fine. Just put the plan into motion. Okay, boss. I'm gonna do the best I can. Although I don't know what the point is, because I already know what's gonna happen. Help! Help! I'm a poor egg who was kidnapped and placed by a very tall tower that I'm surprised that is still standing. Someone save me! Oh. Well, that really didn't hurt nearly as much as I thought it would.
Allahu Akbar!
Oh. Whoa! So that's a greater Antillean bullfinch. Of course. Yeah. Say cheese! Okay, the perfect shot. Okay, back to setting up the tower, I suppose. Okay, so now it looks like next on the list is the yellow-billed blue finch. Wow, there's a lot of finches on this list, I suppose. Okay, back to hiding, come on. Okay, maybe these guys won't do too much damage. I heard on the internet yellow-billed blue finches are pretty small. I don't know, boss. What if this one's pretty big? I'm pretty sure they won't be. Okay then. Oh no, I'm trapped! Help! Someone save me! What did I tell you? Pipsqueaks! Oh! Oh, I'm getting out of this. Okay, I heard destruction. What happened? There's 3 of them! And looks like they're only babies, I suppose. Here, let me get this shot. Okay. Man, that was one good photo. Okay, as always again, back to setting up the tower. Okay then. So next on the list is a chicken. A chicken? Really? Next on the list is a chicken? Why not just go to a farm for that? I don't know. I told them the exact same thing. Come on. Okay. Okay, boss. I got you. I scheduled you a doctor's appointment on Monday. Oh, yeah. Thank you, minion. What if I go to the side? Yeah. It won't be able to hit me from the side. Yeah. Okay. Help! Help! Someone save me, please! I'm trapped! Help! Oh! I stand corrected. Oh, no, they're coming back. Okay, that is a weird looking chicken. Really? Let me see. Whoa. Alright. Okay, got it. This is getting exhausting. Okay, let's see who's next. Okay, it says next we have
A Jamaican Oriole.
Jamaican Oriole? Okay, let's do it. Hopefully. Oh. Jeez. Boss, you're all out of breath. Oh, we really needed to get to that doctor on Monday. This is getting pretty old, but... Help! Help! Please, someone save me! I'm trapped! Oh, you're just nothing. Oh, what a loser! Wow, he put on a couple pounds really fast. I think he just inhaled a bunch of air, boss. Whoa! Aw, look at how adorable he is.
Yep.
Time to get a picture. Yep, let me get this one. What's with all their eyebrows, though? Yeah, so many angry eyebrow birds.
Rebuilding time. Alright then. So next on the list is the Emerald Toucanet.
Toucanet? Don't you mean toucan? Well, I guess they're practically the same thing, but... Okay.
Oh, this hurts.
Okay, well... Boss, maybe this time you'll get lucky. Maybe it'll miss.
Yeah, maybe it'll miss.
Hope it misses. Hope it misses.
Help!
Help me and all that jazz, blah, blah, blah. You already get the point. See, you missed.
Or not.
Oh no, I'm running.
Okay, there it is. Ooh,
But it's asleep. Oh well, at least it'll be an adorable picture. Okay.
right.
Man, this is tiring. Okay, neighbor, so who's next on the list?
Okay, so let's see. Looks like the next bird on the list is a purple finch.
Jeez, so many finches today. Oh well. Back to hiding.
Alright.
Oh.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, I think I'll be okay. Oh. Boss, we really need you to get to that doctor very soon.
Oh no! Help! I'm stuck in a castle! Will someone come to save me? Oh, not again.
Whoa! So that's the purple finch. Actually, it's not purple at all. It's pink.
I know, but a photo is a photo. Where's my phone? Let me see. Here it is. I got it. Got it right here.
Okay. Say cheese. Okay, Springtrap wasn't smiling. Oh, one more! Alright, let's rebuild it again. Alright, neighbor. Looks like we only got 2 more birds left on the list, and then you'll have all the pictures you need for the magazine.
Yep, so looks like our next one is a Paley's falcon.
A falcon. I didn't expect a falcon to be in this house. I didn't really expect any birds to be in this house for that matter. All the windows and doors are closed. Let's go hide. Hide though. Relax, boss. We'll get you to that doctor soon. Okay, we can do this. Just let the last 2 birds. Hopefully we can catch at least 1 because we haven't caught any all day, right, boss?
Yeah. I need those birds in my grasp so I can rule the world.
Oh, ow. Oh, a block fell off. There we go. Gotta leave that for the bird. Help! Help! Blah, 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 and all that jazz and whatever. What? Oh, so that's a Paley's falcon? Guess so. You know, it's weird today that all the birds we've been seeing have no wings. Oh, I didn't even know she could loop down like that. Oh, big duck for cover. Oh. Oh. Okay, whoa! Sheesh, she hit this place hard.
I know.
The blocks are everywhere. And Springtrap for some reason, but I don't know why he'd be here. Ooh, gotta get a picture. Picture for the magazine.
Come on.
Got it.
Say cheese.
Okay, I got it. Okay, so what's the last bird on the list before we put up this tower again?
Okay, it looks like the last bird on our list is a northern cardinal.
What? But we already took a picture of a northern cardinal. Why do we need to get another one? But we're not going to take a picture of any old northern cardinal. Because I just got a report of a huge northern cardinal located in the area. Like I said, it's huge. Far bigger than a normal cardinal. Although, no one's ever seen it, so no one can confirm it exists. You could say it's like Bigfoot or the Loch Ness Monster. Probably just some tall tale being told by someone trying to make a quick buck. Yeah, I guess so. Well, let's set up the castle anyway. Big bird. This is my last chance. Maybe the other birds didn't work out so great, but I need that giant bird. Oh, ow. 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 Okay, that's how we're set up. Now let's go hide and wait for the giant cardinal to show up. You really think it exists?
I know it does.
It has to. You bet it has to. This was... Ow, my legs. This is my last chance. My last chance to get an all-powerful bird to help me rule the world. Ow. Boss, you're looking pretty broken. Okay, I've gotta go reschedule the appointment. Be right back.
What? Oh, we haven't got time to.
Okay, rescheduled. Wow. Yep, that's the power speed dial. Okay. Oh no! I am a poor egg trapped in this tower that I really hope no one knocks over. I really wish there was some big, strong cardinal around. Hello? Anyone? No luck, boss. I mean, after I shouted the last couple times, they came in a matter of seconds. But now I'm just here screaming for help, and I'm getting nothing. Whatever. I don't even think we're good. With the luck we've had, I don't even think we're going to be able to see a giant cardinal today anyway. Why don't we just pack up these blocks and head back to the lair? Okay, boss? I can't believe it. I haven't been able to catch any powerful birds. I mean, they did give me a very, broken body, but the last one, giant cardinal? Oh, that is rich. Is there even such a thing? Oh, what if it really is just a myth? In fact, for all I know, the giant cardinal could just be the Incredible Hulk in a bird suit. Joe. What? I heard the crashing. Me too. Where is it? It has to be here somewhere. Still don't see it. Oh my goodness! It's beautiful. Whoa, that is a big cardinal. Oh, the camera. The picture for the magazine. Alright. Got the picture. I got every bird on the list is to get a picture for the magazine. Yes. Well, neighbor, looks like you got all the pictures you need for the New York magazine.
Yep. Thanks for helping me, Cody. See you around the neighborhood.
Later, neighbor. Whew. Actually, it's really late at night. I gotta get to bed. Sorry we didn't get to catch any birds today, boss. It's fine. Why don't we go back to the lair and I'll fix you up some soup?
Okay.
Let's go. Wait. Do you feel something feathery? That I do, boss.
Wait a minute.